Welcome back to the World channel. Today friends, I will show you how to perform weekly maintenance in Erba XL200 biochemistry analyzer. The weekly maintenance is called as Autowash, that is in the maintenance option. Automatically machine will give reminder every 7 days that Autowash need to perform. So when you will get reminded same day, whenever you get time, you can perform the auto wash step. It will take approximately 45 minutes. For this need special solution that is specifically coming with the provider, same machine engineer provider, that is called XL Auto Wash reagent ACAL. The storage temperature required for this is room temperature 15 to 25 degrees centigrade, so no need to keep this reagent in the fridge. And this white cap is AC bottle and a red cap is AL bottle. These two cups need, you can wash and reuse again. So in reagent position and sample tray, both sides we have to keep this solution. In sample area where we are keeping sample, that area we will keep in cups. It is mentioned that at least 200 microliter, but better to keep safe side 500 microliter, and label the cups also. And then in reagent area we have to keep bottles, but you have to just be careful that bottle should be full or at least half. If bottle is less than half, that time machine can give alarm that reagent is not enough, and maybe your auto wash will not be performed properly. So when you will click on the auto wash, this notice will come that you have to keep 18 ml AC solution and in position 1, and 18 ml AL solution in position 3 of reagent area, and same in sample area we will keep position 1 AC and position 3 AL. So first of all we have to keep these solutions on the in the specified areas, and once we are sure that reagents and we keep all that solution in the specified area, then only we will click start. One point I will tell you that when you will do weekly maintenance, this auto wash step, that time you cannot perform the sample running. That time sample running will be fully stopped. So just choose the time which is suitable for you, either early in the morning going time, or either in between if lab is closed, that time going time you can keep this auto wash reagents and can start, and when you will be back, auto wash will be completed. We will open this cover, and already position 1 and position 3 is assigned for XL solution and distilled water solution. So we will remove these solutions and we will keep AC and AL solution position 1 and position 3. When you will remove these two solutions, just keep close cover to avoid any contamination or falling of solution. Now I want to show you the area, this position 1 and position 3. Here we will keep the 18 ml solution. It's written 18 ml, but you should be sure that your reagent is more than 18 ml, so that during running reagent should not decrease more and reminder will come. Otherwise reminder will come. So this labeled as AC and other one is labeled as AL. Now according to the protocol, I just keep 200 microliter, but once I remember, I got the reminder that reagent is not enough. So from next time, safe side, I keep a 500 microliter to avoid any error. And when this auto wash will complete, you can keep back this ACAL remaining solution in the bottles if you are sure that there is no contamination. Same now AL will keep AC in position 1 of sample area in cup and bottle in the reagent area. Now AL will keep in position 3 of sample area, and reagent bottle will keep into the reagent area. During this auto wash running, as I told, it will take 45 minutes. That time you cannot do any sample running, you cannot change any reagent. Even the machine is normally running also, that time you cannot change the reagents. Once the machine is in standby position, that time only reagent changing is possible. So now we will keep the cover back and we will close the reagent tray, and here also we keep the reagents, and then we will close the cover. Always try to keep cover closed to avoid any dirt entering or light. Even some reagents light sensitive also is affected. So now I click start. The drawback is here it is that it will not show the time, like remaining time is 30 seconds, 40 minutes or 35 minutes. I mean, it will not show the time. So just I will give you the idea that it will take almost 45 minutes, this auto wash procedure. Once the auto wash procedure is completed, that time the most important point is to remove the reagent from the position 1 and position 3. Now when we will click the show report, it will show that last auto wash done at which date and time. This video is old recorded with me, that's why you don't be confused that this much is old auto wash performed. This video just recorded and uploaded late. And here in maintenance option we can check also that our maintenance was successful or not, or performed. Either it will show performed or either it will show it is successful or not successful. So this from here also we will remove this position 1 and position 3. We will remove AC and AL from the cups, and from the reagent area also remember to remove. Sometime if you not remove from the reagent area, then machine will not give any reminder or any alarm. Machine will not give that in position 1 and position 3 is AC or AL reagent is there. So better to remove, it will start the running test. So better just at same time when the auto wash will complete, same time you take out reagents and keep back on their assigned area, and keep XL wash and distilled water solution according to the position assigned. In this machine, position 1 is for XL wash and position 3 is for distilled water. So that we will keep back, and then we will close the cover or reagent area. So this was the procedure how to perform weekly maintenance. And to perform weekly maintenance for Erba XL200, we have to perform auto wash step, that is in the maintenance option. Once auto wash will complete, just do probe wash, prime rinse and cuvette rinse one time, and then you can proceed the samples, and now your machine is ready. So every week we have to perform this test, and as I told, that machine automatically will show the reminder after 7 days that auto wash need to perform. If there is any confusion, you can ask in comments. Thank you so much.